Good morning, everyone, and heartiest congratulations from the side of Aspire IAS and the associated team that you people successfully qualified in your UPSC mains examination. So, this session we are recording for a specific purpose as you are moving toward the last stage to be a successful bureaucrats in the upcoming years to serve this nation with the pride as well as honor. So this session according to me is very important. The main purpose of the personality test to increase your ranks from 0 to top 10, even from top 10 to out of the list. This much is the significance of the personality test score, which is not an interview. Nowadays, you people are saying it is an interview. Actually, it is a personality test, which are checking your stability of mind, analytical skills, decision making capacities, and how much you are in a condition to handle the pressure and represent your country in front of international delegations. So personality test is a very, very important step where you should not read like the PT and mains. Even you should not be careless कि whatever will happen in the interview board, I can handle at that time only. So under this regard, this session is bifurcated into two compartments. In the first compartment, we are discussing about how to fill up your detailed application, that is a form, which jobs, what positive and negative about the jobs, and also how to fill your cadre because it is very important about your future. If you are getting some cadre, it is very hard to change your cadre. So try to understand, it is also for those people who are just starting the preparation, that what exactly is a detailed application form and what is the significance of this DEF. And in the second compartment, we can discuss about how Aspire can help you in grooming your personality, give you the idea what to do and what not to do. Even we can also guide you that what exactly they want to search in your personality according to the individual personality testing through our artificial intelligence program, and also tell you in which area you should work upon, where you should not read similar to the PT examination and mains, even you should not act in a careless manner. So let's start with a hope that you people can understand, and please do not shut down this video if you are a serious aspirant and working for personality test 2020. So this is the first page. In the first page, everything is automatically provided by the UPSC. It includes your mother tongue, place of birth, name of father. So इस page पर कुछ नहीं करना है. Here is your photograph. Clear? And it is a detailed application form of 2020, form number 2. Last date is 5th of April. If anybody want my assistance in deciding your hobbies, interest, and any other thing, you can directly contact me on the below link, my email ID as well as Aspire link where to fill up your form. Even you can call us anytime. आगे चलते हैं, please. Now this is the second page. In the second page, they are asking your education qualification. So education qualification is also fixed. You are not in a condition to change it. Then in the third page, they ask about these three sections, which is very important. The first section is prize, medal, scholarship, etc. Now we won so many prizes in our life from 5th class, 8th class, 10th class, 12th class. Now the question mark, which prize to include and which prize to exclude. So my humble suggestion is only one. Don't enhance the overall expectation of the interview board. Here you should fill only those prize, medal and scholarship which are having state level or nation level reputation. After 10th class, that means it include 10th class, 12th class and graduation. And if you even do not have any type of prize scholarship, it is very good. Filled up, not applicable or no prize. No problem at all. If you are having only one, you can fill up only one. But don't fill up Maggie GK competition, extempore competition at the house level in the school. I as my personal choice, I am not in a condition to recommend you. Clear? Then second is sport, NCC, etc. Now we all are playing some sports in our life. This section is not saying that you should provide some certificates. So suppose you are good in some sports in your childhood days, in the graduation level, fill it up. But suppose your body today is not like that. So again, I recommend that you should not fill it up. But some sports you can fill up because they are not having any relation with the body. Sprinter, swimming, gymnast, all these things require some body part. But badminton, cricket, even you are a little bit healthy, you can fill it up, no problem at all. Now the position of distinction leadership held in the school and colleges. The favorite answer of so many people is, sir, monitor. and perfect within the school. Okay, it is good, you can write. But some innovative things you can fill up in this column, particularly the organizing the blood camps, organizing some feast, some NGO rural trip is there, so you are becoming the head. Under this, you can write those things which can highlight your leadership quality, because if you filled up this column, 100% they can ask some question which are related to check your leadership quality. At that time, your answer should be like a leader and it shows some experience. So I always recommended never guided by the fake things, because fake things have very short period of life and they will capture you easily when you are coming in the rhythm of speaking. Suddenly some answer is like that they can capture you that this is a fake. Even after reading they can capture you. तो अगर आपने इनमें से कुछ भी किया है यू कैन फील्ड इट अप इजिली. अगर कोई स्पोर्ट टीम लीड की है, अगर कोई कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स हुआ है, इफ यू आर समहाउ अ लीडर विद इन द पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ कॉमनवेल्थ गेम और यू आर मैनेजिंग इन द मैनेजिंग टीम, इवन देन यू कैन फील्ड अप दिस पोजीशन ऑफ डिस्टिंक्शन लीडरशिप इन स्कूल एंड कॉलेजेस. तो अगर कोई भी ऐसा काम किया है विच आर शोइंग सम डिस्टिंक्ट पोजीशन, you can fill up 100%. Clear? Now, other extracurricular activities, interest and hobbies. Now, this is a very critical area. Now, there has been some difference between interest and hobby. Now, nowadays, I am feeling happy while reading the book. That means book reading is not my hobby now. It is my interest. So anything which are engaging you and making you little bit relaxed and feeling good is a interest. Hobby is that you can know in depth about that particular thing. If anybody can tell you that do this thing, even you are in a deep sleep, that is particular thing which is considered as your hobby. Now, how to fill this section? Some people are writing extracurricular activity is this, interest is this, hobbies are this. No, this is not the method to fill up. You can just write it, make them the chance that they should ask you, this is your hobby, then you can say, no sir, this is my interest. Nowadays, I am reading Animesh book, Ravana, Sita or Ram or Lord Shiva trilogy. So this is my interest, sir. Clear? So give them the chance, make them curious that they can ask something else. अगर आप ही define कर दो कि if you define yourself, then why they can ask from you? Now, what are the common things which everybody is doing? Let's think. Everybody is having some interest. Everybody is having some type of hobbies. Some common interests are traveling, interacting with the people, reading the newspapers, reading the current affairs. More specific, if you want to write your own interviews, that you should be a good person in the international relations. So reading and analyzing the international relations. Now the whole interview is moving around international relations. Learning about animals, photography, all these things which we are doing on the day-to-day manner. Nobody is saying you can do perfect. But reading the literature of Premchand, Munshi Premchand, then you should have some specific knowledge about Godhan. So those people who are still confusing what exactly is their hobby, what exactly their interest, they can choose among all these things: interacting with people, traveling, visiting new places, meeting with the new people, interacting with the poor people, visiting the rural India, reading the current affairs, reading the contemporary topics. Current affairs हो जाएगा तो सोचेंगे fake कर रहा है. Contemporary topics, social issues, political, that is predictions. लेकिन you should be conscious in which area you can work in this remaining 15-16 days, that you can answer anything whatever they are asking. So suppose political science student are good in international relations. Some people itself are having good interest in the international relations. India is also a dominant country in the international relation. Then a very good interest. Cooking generally is a common interest. If not cooking, eating is an interest. That my hobby is eating the food, different type and different varieties of food. Are you understanding my point? So this is a very good topic which can maybe move your 60-70% of the personality test if you filled in a good manner. If you worked in some NGO, to working with the NGO, counseling to the people regarding their health, awareness generation regarding non-communicable diseases, all these things are there. And further, if you want some help, you can directly contact me on a.kumar.aias@gmail.com or 8010068998. Message me or go to the Aspire website and fill up your details. I will get it and call you myself. Clear? But we really want to help you. So this is this section of sports, position and other curricular activities and interest. Other extracurricular activities होते हैं which you are doing apart from your studies, like dancing, singing. ये हम सब common करते हैं. This is our extracurricular activities. Again, expertise is not a need. So hobbies required deep depth of information. But interest and extracurricular activities need just about your, that is the knowledge and interest, what exactly you are doing. Clear? Language matters in this, very important. Then another important criteria is now cadre allocation. It is very important. Now you people are knowing you are judging this job and this cadre according to your preview. But a IAS and a person who really want progression in their career, they always want the areas where you can work maximum. If you see the central government and the overall center, that is the IAS officers, majority of them are coming from UP cadre, Bihar cadre. Clear? And only few officers from Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, even Agmut cadre. So try to understand, you are doing this much hard work to serve the people. While serve the people, you want to change their life. It means you can fill up those areas where still under development, poor development is a particular characteristics. Under this regard, always remember political pressure is a part and parcel of every job. You cannot consider this thing. You can also not consider कि यहाँ पे कैसे होगा language problem है. No. I can tell you the best option. According to you, it is your choice. So you want to fill, you can fill or consult me directly. तो जोन 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 पहले हमें जोन की प्रेफरेंस देना पड़ता है. आफ्टर जोन प्रेफरेंस वी कैन गिव द प्रेफरेंस ऑन दिस पार्ट. जोन 1 में आता है नदर्न स्टेट, एगमोड, हरियाणा, हिमाचल प्रदेश, पंजाब, राजस्थान, उत्तराखंड. इन दिस ओनली टू थिंग्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट, दैट इज राजस्थान एज वेल एज एगमोड. जोन 2 में आता है बिहार, झारखंड, उड़ीसा, उत्तर प्रदेश. जोन 3 में आता है छत्तीसगढ़, गुजरात, मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र. जोन 4 असम, मेघालय, मणिपुर, नागालैंड, सिक्किम, त्रिपुरा. एंड जोन 5 आंध्र प्रदेश, कर्नाटका, केरला, तमिलनाडु, तेलंगाना. The southern Indian students are having automatically their choice to there's a zone 5, and northern Indian student should have the zone 4 as their choice. But I really want that majority of you, those from South India, North India, fill up their own zone. After that, second option you can put to this, and Northern India people can put zone 5 their second option, and Southern India people put zone 2 as their second option. Because in this Bihar, Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh are very good cadre to serve if you really want progression in your life. Otherwise, under the zone 2, you can fill up Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Chhattisgarh, and zone 3, Agmut, zone 4, this, zone 5. Maximum people put zone 4 in zone 5 only. So any student who is from North India, their choice would be zone 2 as number 1, zone 1 as number 2, zone 3 as number 3, zone 5 as number 4, and zone 5 as number 5. Zone 4 as number 5. Zone 4 as number 5. This is for North Indian students. Within this, everybody is knowing, if you are going with a zone 2, your first preference should be Uttar Pradesh or Jharkhand or Bihar. In zone 1, your first preference should be Rajasthan, as well as your second preference should be Agmut, or first preference should be Agmut, second preference should be Rajasthan. Those who want peaceful development, Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh are the option. Then in the zone 3, the first option should always be Maharashtra and the second option should be Chhattisgarh. Third is Madhya Pradesh, and fourth is Gujarat. Because Gujarat is a business type of community, the DM and this work are not that much high. But right now people are feeling BJP government is there, progression of Gujarat cadre officers are very high. Okay, accepted. But according to me, everyone should go with Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra first, then Chhattisgarh and then Gujarat. In zone 4, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Nagaland, Sikkim, Tripura, West Bengal. Sikkim is very good. Then Assam, Meghalaya, and whatever you want, you can fill up. And in the zone 5, out of all these 5, सबसे best cadre है आपका Karnataka, and last should be the Kerala. Because communist government is there, work is there, but this is my personal advice. Apart from that, according to the student specific, I can tell you the cadre, but you should not put in any part 0. Because if you put 0 and you are not coming according to rank in any one, they can give you whatever they want to. So it is always be a better advice that you can fill all the option and should not fill a 0 in any other option. Clear? उनका rhythm कैसे चलता है? First they can check your rank and then zone wise. फिर zone में भी first option चारों का देखेंगे. If the place are there, then second in all the option, third in all the option. This is a method of cadre allocation nowadays. Hope you are understanding this. Then after this, after the zone preferences, the another is job preferences. Obviously, the first choice of everyone is Indian Administrative Service. But some people want to serve IFS, IPS, so they can pick up the one on the IPS and IFS, no problem at all. Even if you put after 7 job 000, it is also not a problem. Rarely they are asking the question why you are not filling up. Clear? And if you are not filling, it is also not problem. If you are filling, it is also not a problem. Resignation is always be a solution. So according to me, the first job should be IAS. The second job should be IPS and then IFS. Some people can put second number IFS, IPS third number. मेरी जर्नी इसके बाद स्टार्ट होती है. On the fourth number, people are filling up Indian Revenue Service, Custom and Central Excise and IT. Some people are filling IT at 4, some people are filling IT at 5. Now what are the differences? Nowadays GST is there. Custom excise duty people are having more active, that is a job. Custom is more, that is a attracting than the this thing, that is a GST or custom duties. Sorry, this thing, that is a central excise. So according to me, if you really want uniform, then you can fill up on the fourth number, custom and excise. But if you want the peaceful white collar job of 5 days a week job, and you really want comfort in your life, then IRS, IT is there. Transparency, accountability has been increasing and somehow public interaction has been decreasing. These are some of the negatives of this job. After this 5, the major target has been started. Now there is no Indian Railway Service. If there is no Indian Railway Service, now you people can move towards sixth option in the very, very good job, Indian Defence State Service. People are not knowing generally about these services. The DM in the civil area, the same DM in the cantonment area is provided by Indian Defence State Service. And you can be appointed in all the cantonment area where you can take care about all the public amenities and the similar work of the DM, but in the cantonment zones where Indian Army and their families are residing. So after this 5 job, according to me, the 6th option should be Indian Defence State Service. Then 7th option should be Indian Audit and Account Service. This is also one of the wonderful job. In urban areas you can serve directly under the CAG office, and the overall deputations are also very good. After one part, all the allied jobs are having very good opportunities after 5-6 years through the deputation, but they are fundamentally very good to serve. After this job, you can move towards another job, which that is a would be this one, Indian Information Services. Indian Information Services, Indian PNT account, Indian Defense Account Service. These 3 are the jobs जो आप ऊपर नीचे करके भर सकते हैं. तो Indian Defense Account is similar to Indian Defense State Service, but your major posting within the Delhi and nearby zone where there has been a link between government and the defense forces, and your major work is regarding accountancy. PNT is very important job. It is a person and training, account and finances. Here financial work is there and you people can enjoy this job. Even in the another job, that is Indian Information Service. Upcoming time is a Digital India time. Indian Information Service right now working regarding the press, that is the Bureau of India, All India Radio, Doordarshan. But in the upcoming time when Digital India will progress, the overall status of this job is also improving. Same in the case of Indian Trade Service Group A. तो मैं आपको इंडियन इंफॉर्मेशन सर्विस, इंडियन ट्रेड सर्विस, इंडियन कॉर्पोरेट लॉ सर्विस, इन 3 को आगे आने की बात करूंगा. इसके बाद दोज पीपल हु बिलोंग टू द दिल्ली एंड नियर बाय रीजन, after Indian Audit Account Service, if you really want to live in a peaceful area of your part, then you should fill up Delhi Andaman Nicobar Island Civil Services, not police. पहले क्या भरेंगे? Civil Services. And then you can fill up any job और आखिर में पौंडीचेरी, because all these jobs are coming in the waiting list. Maximum appointment is till 7th और 8th. उसके बाद ज़्यादा important नहीं होता है. According to your preference, you can fill up. तो अगर मैं रिवाइज कराता हूँ, IAS, IFS, IPS, according to you can shuffle it. Then Indian Revenue Service, IT, excise and this thing. Then Indian Defence State Service. After Indian Defence State Service, you can fill up, that is this job, Indian Audit and Account Service. After that you can fill up anything, PNT finance भी भर सकते हैं आप, Indian Information भी भर सकते हैं, Indian Defence Account भी भर सकते हैं. Even you can fill up Delhi Dadar Nagar Haveli, that is a civil services. After that you can fill up the corporate law, ordinance factory, Indian Postal Service, which is one of the coolest job. डाक खाने का ज़्यादा कुछ काम इंडिया में रहा नहीं, and it is very peaceful without any type of pressure. If you want to spend your time with your family, you can fill up easily. So all these jobs are not important as such, but if your name is in a waiting list, then it is highly important, and then you will not regret that what job you filled up. Clear? Then after this, the final signature, it is very important. If you not sign it, it can be rejected, because for IAS signature is always important, and you never, there is a forget about signing your application form. So this is all about the first part regarding how to fill up your DF form. Now how Aspire will help you in a very comprehensive manner in this examination. So everyone can first send me your DAF, detailed application form, and we can provide you more than 120 questions, every minute detail of DAF, and we are providing three type of DAF analysis with our expert team: the DAF of engineers, the DAF of medical science students, and the DAF of art and the art related background students. So first you can go with the aspireias.com, everyone. If you are going to the aspireias.com, in the first part only there is an interview guidance program. आप लोग देख पा रहे होंगे पर लिखा हुआ है interview guidance 2021. तो 2021 is going on. It is a batch 2020. तो you directly that is a click on interview guidance 2021. जैसे आप यहाँ पर क्लिक करेंगे interview guidance 2021, here is a column where you people can fill your full name, email ID, mobile number, upload your DAF, UPSC, that is a, and enter your roll number. When you are filling up, it can approach to us, we can analyze the whole detailed application form and inform you the maximum, that is the part what exactly they can ask. Then in this interview session, we are providing you different parts. First, depth analysis and possible questions. Question on personal profile, don't throw in the personality test, question in home states and other different parts. Then in the second part, we can move towards one-to-one personalized session with me. And we are providing you through the Vedic method, how to groom, how much to speak, short sentences. They are not searching student in you, they are searching officers in you. What type of answer should be a stable answer? And we are not making you compelled to read more. Because people who are reading more and the people who are reading less without direction, in both chances, the average score should be less than 120 marks. So this is my personal request. It is my experience, so many of my students, even after appeared in 2-3 interviews, they generally score 140, 150, 160, even less than 140 marks. So they just want to check some of the basic personality tests, which we are trying to give you in a very comprehensive manner by telling you only stabilization. Mock sessions are important, but average candidate or any candidate should not give more than 3 to 4 mocks. Every mock have their own temperament. Some are very liberal, some are rightist, some are leftist, some are aggressive, and somehow you are not understanding what exactly is going on. Some are just liberal, ultra liberal, and they are appreciating each and everything of you because they want to give you confidence. Some people are data oriented. If you are providing good, poor data, they can just scold you. Now this is not a method. They are just making you comfortable within few seconds, and then they are asking the question like the family, and then you are somehow feeling absent कि मैं जो prepare करके आया था वो तो पूछ रहे हैं. Suddenly they ask some questions. For example, one rigorous interview, they just ask, okay, you worked in NGO, okay. Now what is rural survey? Okay, rural survey नहीं पता, अच्छा ये पता है सर. नहीं हमें नहीं सुनना, आप बताइए क्या होता है rural survey. Then you are saying sorry sir नहीं पता मुझे. Okay, अच्छा रूरल सर्वे पता, अच्छा आपको पीपीए पता होगा, अच्छा पीपीए नहीं पता, पीआरए पता होगा. दिस इज द मेथड ऑफ रूरल सर्वे. अच्छा यू आर वर्किंग इन द रूरल इंडिया. दे स्कोल्ड यू एंड नाउ यू आर फीलिंग कि मेरा बैठ जा रहा है. एंड सडनली दे आर आस्किंग what is a LPG scheme in the rural India which this government is promoting. You are knowing when your mind is cool, Ujjwala. But at the time of that moment, when 15 minutes they grill you and suddenly there are some a small question, you are not in a condition to speak. That means they already check your knowledge in PT and main. They just want to check how much you are capable to take a pressure. Then they suddenly ask where you want to serve in this country. If you are giving you one place, choose it. Now you choose a very difficult place or very easy place. Then they're asking why this place only. So you should have the logic behind why this place only. So at that time, honesty should be there. You should feel from your heart why you want to serve in that area. Automatically things will become very right, but superficial answer always kills you. Under this demarcation, one-to-one session is important. I myself prepared for UPSC. I provided the guidance to so many people, including Nandini KR during their interview session, Saloni Rai, and these people regularly score 225 plus marks. So try to understand, they just want your confidence. They just want how much you are honest and little bit articulation regarding the answer. But one thing is very important, your answer should not be very long, very descriptive. It should be very pinpoint, very crux, and you should have very humble in nature and always having smile on your face. So we can discuss in the second part one-to-one personality, mainly stability of mind and how to keep your calm, any question in the interview. Then student assessment we can do, special classes on factual analytical building, Parliamentary session. Aspire invented for the last 6-7 years parliamentary session, where 2, 3, 4, 5 people are coming. We are dividing that people and give some common topic. I am as a referee. First, you can debate on the government perspective side, and second time you can debate on the opposition perspective side. By this, your mind will learn, mind will practice how to give the balanced answer, because maximum time they just want your opinion. And in the opinion based question, it should be very straightforward and very सटीक targeted. Clear? So this is a very important part. इसके बाद mock session is there. Our board member will also come, 2, 3 people, 4 people, 5 people, and all are in the jobs and the services to give you the that's the overall comfortable position and the exposure of the new people. Like other, that's the institution and organization, we can also provide you the mock session, but it is recommendable that you cannot give more than 3 to 4 mocks. Clear? And in the last, we can also give you the overall, that is a cool, calm impact, that how to produce yourself, present yourself. जो बहुत important है, present yourself. So this is the overall part, and this program is right now going on. You people are just, that's a ping us and upload your def, and we can give you the personal appointment. Our office are now shifting towards, there's the Agarwal suite, and behind the Agarwal suite, there is a Aspire office. You people will come and directly meet me. I wish you all the very best, but don't be very serious and don't be very cool regarding the personality test, and don't feel it is an interview. Interview is different, personality test is different. That's why UPSC in DOPT mentioned in the past result, if you see PT marks, PT is not preliminary test, it is personality test. They never say it is an interview. UPSC in the employment news always say it is a personality test. It is you and some other people who are saying it is interview, but for me it is personality test, and we are helping you in the personality test. So hope you people can perform best and you people can score more than 200 marks. Aspire is always in your services, and for every needy student who want some assistance, Aspire is always act as a rehabilitation center. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Jaldi milte hain. Thank you.